Hey guys, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're playing in a lace wig from Divaswigs. Now you guys know I love this company and of course they give you all kinds of goodies in your bag, including an adjustable elastic band. Kind of has that bra strap look. They even give you a printout with all the information on the wig that you received. This is the inside construction of the cap. You have your 4 combs, you have your adjustable straps in the back, and of course it's pre-plucked for the gods. I'm absolutely in love with this one here. As you guys can see, she's super long, 22 inches in length, 150% density, and if I did not mention already, her name is KAYLA. So I'm showing you here a nice close-up of the hairline. I literally needed to do no work as far as plucking, tweezing goes. Absolutely pleased with the way this one came. So step 1 here is going to be to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. If you want to bleach knots or tint lace, I would recommend that you keep the lace on until you are completely done with plucking, tweezing, tinting lace, bleaching knots, and all of that. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and style the wig super easy. Today, we are doing wand curls, which is one of my favorite and easy ways to curl hair. Also, don't forget, one of the most important but slept on steps is to make sure that you customize your lace around your ear. It's super important that the wig hugs around your ear for a more flat and flawless finish. If it's bulky, like around the ear, the sideburn area, it's never ever going to look right. And also make sure that if you're adding an elastic band, that the band sits perfectly right behind the ear. If it's in front of your ear, it's going to be bulky. If it's above your ear, it's going to be bulky. It has to be like right, literally behind the ear. I'll leave a tutorial on how I add the elastic band if the wig you purchased does not come with one. And of course, if you did not already know, a glueless wig typically is pretty much a wig that has an elastic band attached so that the lace lays flat, hugs your hairline, doesn't slide back or move as much, and feels a little bit secure to the hair as well. Can we appreciate this hairline for what it is? Literally, I have not plucked or tweezed anything. There's no finesse here. This is literally what the wig looks like when it comes straight out of the box. To adhere the wig, I just used my Got2b glue spray. Everything I use is linked in the description bar so that you can check it out for your own application purposes. Now, a key step for me is to either use a blow dryer or a scarf to go ahead and set that adhesive and let that dry completely. Now, if you don't want to use a scarf or you want something quicker, I would definitely recommend a blow dryer on a cool setting. And this is a profile pretty much shot of what the wig looks like, so you can see the fullness, the density. But as I was saying, yeah, if you don't want to use a scarf, definitely go ahead and use a blow dryer on a cool setting. I find that sometimes it still will come out a little bit white around the hairline when I use a blow dryer, so I'd rather let it blow dry without heat. But if you do use a blow dryer, it will feel a little bit more tighter, like a stronger hold, if that makes any sense. Also, you guys know I love my electric hot comb. For the base of my hair, I use it along my hairline to make everything look flat, flawless, and smooth. Also in my parting as well. So we're going to go ahead and construct the baby hair. I am using foam lotion, and again, the one that I use is linked in the description bar. A key to flawless baby hair is pretty much to go ahead and use like zigzag motions to cut the baby hair, also to form the baby hair as well. You can kind of see I take the rat tail comb and I kind of part out the section I'm going to use for baby hair, but I don't go straight across. I kind of zigzag it so that it's not just like a straight line of demarcation of where the baby hair is and where the real hair is, if that makes any sense. And this is kind of going to make it look messy in a way, but at the same time it's going to make it look more natural when it's all said and done. And then again, we're going to use foam lotion to go ahead and swoop the baby hairs, and then we're going to get on to our wand curls. So here my baby girl is. This is Dominic. She's making her very first appearance in any of my videos. Stay tuned, tons of videos for Vlogtober are coming with her, but she definitely did not want me to be great in this video, so I definitely had to do a two-part today with this tutorial. Here I am using the electric hot comb to go ahead and get the parting as flat as possible. I feel like I don't know what I was doing before I had an electric hot comb, because a flat iron definitely doesn't get it the way the hot comb gets it, in my opinion. I'm here using a serum to go ahead and add a little bit of shine and cancel out frizz, and I also did add a heat protectant as well. Now normally with a fresh install I would use a serum or a heat protectant, not both, if I don't want the hair to be weighed down, but in this case I did feel like there was a little bit of frizz with this hair, so I definitely wanted to have a sleek finish and use both to make sure that everything was smooth and sleek and you know, protected from the heat, so I get no heat damage and so forth and so on. So we're gonna curl the hair towards the face on both sides. Super simple and easy, and I'll come back with the results in just a moment. And as you guys see, baby girl was up again. I did cut out a few more times where she woke up, but this is pretty much the finished result. I went ahead and used my Sebastian shapers to go ahead and add a little bit of hold, and also I used a contour powder to go ahead and make the parting blend with my skin a lot better. Okay, so this is the next day. I almost forgot to add these clips. I went ahead and switched the parting from a side part to a center part just out of preference. I did go ahead off camera and touch up or redo the curls, and I re-added the powder to the parting since I did move the parting. But you guys can see how full the baby hair is. This is definitely optional. I absolutely love the way the baby hair looks, but if this is not your choice, this is definitely plucked enough to the point where you can go ahead and push all of the baby hair back and just do a no baby hair look. Super simple and easy. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a rat tail comb, or this is not a rat tail comb, this is a wide tooth comb, and go ahead and pull the curls apart so that you guys can see how flawless the curls come out. Definitely would love something a little bit more dense in the future, but I love the way this one looks. Off camera, I did go ahead and add a few inches off, I'm sorry, cut off a few inches off the ends, just because I kind of felt like this one would look better a little bit shorter, and it definitely made the hair look a little bit more full when you cut off like that bottom layer. So now the wig is probably about 20 inches, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to check out that description box, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!